Installing Cali Cork flooring is fast and easy, and much like the flooring itself, should leave you feeling fantastic about your decision to choose smart, planet-friendly flooring. No glue and no nails required. Prep your subfloor according to the installation guidelines, and lay down your protective underlayment if needed. Prior to installation, you'll want to acclimate your new cork flooring to get it used to its new environment. To do this, place the unopened cartons in the room you plan to install the flooring in and allow them to sit for 2 to 3 days. Also, when installing, always maintain a 3/8 inch expansion gap between walls and any fixed vertical objects like door frames, cabinets, and pipes. You'll need the following tools: a tape measure and pencil, 3/8 inch spacers, a chop table or circular saw, a tapping block, and a hammer. If your door jambs require undercutting, you'll also require a multifunction tool with a saw blade attachment. Measure the room at a right angle to the direction of the planks. The final row should be at least 1/3 the width of a plank. This means your first row may have to be ripped lengthwise to a smaller size. Starting in the right-hand corner of your room, lay your first board with the tongue side facing the wall. Be sure to maintain proper expansion space according to the installation instructions. Spacer blocks will come in handy. Connect your next board by inserting it at an angle into the first. Then lay it flat and make sure the two boards are fully connected. Continue until you've completed your first row. You'll likely have to trim the end to make it fit. If that leftover piece is at least 12 inches long, you can use it to start your next row. Align the tongue side of that board into the groove of the first board in your first row and press it in while laying it flat to the ground. Gentle use of a tapping block and hammer may help, but avoid hitting the click-lock tongues and grooves. If your boards don't lay completely flat, disengage and try again. Lifting the whole row and tapping it into place may help. Continue laying boards, ensuring that all edges are connecting into place until the room is complete. Note that you might need to undercut your door jambs in 2 places. To do this, place a scrap piece of flooring next to the door frame, and with a multifunction tool, remove just enough material to allow the flooring to pass underneath. Continue installing rows and repeat this process on the other side. Once the doorway is complete, you can use a transition piece like a T-molding in the doorway to conceal the transition. Your final row of flooring may need to be ripped lengthwise in order to fit. Once the final piece of flooring has been installed, the last step is to remove all 3/8 inch spacers and cover all expansion gaps by replacing the baseboards or by adding a trim piece like a quarter round. And that's it! Your new Cali Cork floor is complete. For more tips and detailed downloadable installation guides, visit the Cali website. Be sure to watch our Cali Cork floor care video next.